Hi, my name is Clement Harris. This is my personal goals and intro video. A little bit about myself, my personal life. Been married to my wife, Carissa, for 8 years. We have two kids together, Easton, who's 7, and Berkeley, who's 5. She's about to turn 6. They're in second grade and kindergarten, respectively. Um, Been a little bit of a different year for them, mostly remote, a little bit in person, but a little bit back and forth. So I've been teaching them as well as my classes remotely. So it's been a little bit of a tough fall and winter. Some of our hobbies, my hobbies, include hunting and fishing. We like to spend time at the lake. We live 5 minutes from Lake Pueblo. We're pretty close. We like to spend time there. We also like to spend time with our family, um, outdoors, camping, stuff like that. A little bit about my career. I attended Adams State University, which I graduated in 2008 with a K-12 physical education degree. This is my 13th year in education. My first 10 years that I spent at a small town in southeastern Colorado, La Junta, Colorado. It was approximately 400 students, about 25 staff members. For the last 3 years, this is my third year at Pueblo West High School. Approximately 1,400 students, 60 staff members, so a little bit bigger, little bit different demographics. It was a good move for both me and my family. I teach physical education and health here at Pueblo West High School, and I'm also the head football coach at Pueblo West High School. So balancing the program and football season, the abbreviated football season, was a little bit tough, but we made it through. It was a good fall. A little bit about my personal goals. Um, in 1 to 5 years, I want to graduate and finish this program. Hopefully, I can graduate in the spring of 21. Um, big accomplishment for both me and my family financially. Um, Personally, I want to put my family first. Make sure my kids always come first, even in 6 to 10 years. I want my kids to come first and their goals and their activities and things that they're interested in, so that they're well taken care of. 10 years, I'm possibly looking into coaching at the college level, something that may be a goal of mine in the future. Professional goals, 1 to 5 years, I want to graduate the master's program. I'm completely content in the current role that I have. I have the best job there is. I like to build relationships and help kids. I don't see myself, even in 6 to 10 years, wanting out of the job that I have. I may be forced out at some point, who knows, but I really enjoy what I do, and I enjoy my kids and the school that I'm in. In 10 years, I'll be close to 25 years in, I may begin to look for an administration job or a college coaching job at some point, but I really enjoy what I'm doing, and this was more of a financial decision to go through the program and to better myself professionally as well. Why I chose Fort Hays State? First thing was the cost. Um, Pretty comparable to any school. I felt like it was a good degree program and something that could benefit me in the future. The second thing is 100% online. A lot of programs you have to go to the school at different times throughout the program. This was hugely beneficial being online completely. Last thing is the schedule, how you could work. You guys let us work kind of how we want, as long as we're working through the program. And greatly beneficial to the life that I lead. Some of my initial expectations, I want to develop leadership and relationship skills. I want to be able to lead young people, staff. I can always improve those skills. I want to develop feedback techniques. Not everybody receives feedback the same. I know in some of my early classes we talked about the Oreo cookie approach, stuff like that. I really look forward to learning more about feedback techniques. The use of data, how it can help me. I use data every day in the classroom, but I want it to drive instruction. I want to learn how to use data. And I'll learn from great teachers. I think you guys do a great job of educating us, and I look forward to the program, and I appreciate your time. Nice to meet you.